Hi everyone, welcome to a new video from Mijas in south of Spain. My name is Ajay and I'm the guy who doesn't show his face in the videos. Trust me, I will show my face once I reach Iceland. So today, I'm in this beautiful white town in Costa del Sol, Spain. The town is famous for its donkey taxis, but there is a lot more to this place than just these taxis. In my opinion, Mijas is one of the most beautiful white towns in Spain. White towns are also called as pueblos blancos in Spanish. So today I'll just walk through the streets of Mijas and tell you stories, history and a few interesting things about Mijas as I explore this place. Now first things first, the donkey taxis. As soon as you arrive at this place, you are greeted with the sight of donkey taxis, also known as burro taxis. As the story goes, in the 1960s, when the farmers would return from their farms with their donkeys, tourists would stop them and ask for pictures, and if they could get a ride on their donkeys. And the tourists would tip them really well. The farmers eventually realized that they were earning way more from these tips than they were from farming. And that is how the tradition of donkey taxis started in Mijas. If you look carefully, every donkey has a number plate or a license plate. Apart from taking selfies with the donkeys, I saw quite a few people riding these taxis. The bronze donkey statue that you saw earlier was built as a tribute to this tradition of donkey taxis. Now Mijas has a lot of viewpoints or miradors, and this is one of them. There is one mirador here called Mirador de Compass. It's not this one, it's a different mirador, and from there you can actually see Morocco in North Africa, across the sea on a clear day. Unfortunately, I didn't see it, but one day I might just visit Morocco. Check out this shop with all these colorful things. Now this guy here busking had just made the entire atmosphere so romantic. I guess he's asking for money. Can you see an interesting structure in a cave there? Let's check out what's there. Here's another mirador with this beautiful view. Turns out there is a beautiful chapel inside this cave. The chapel, by the way, was carved inside the stone in the 17th century. Another thing to notice here are the blue pots on white walls. Try and count how many you see along the way while I walk through the town. What you see here is a museum which showcases miniature artworks from around the world. But I won't be going inside. Let's proceed to the town center. Not sure what this guy is doing here, but hey, how did the tuk-tuk reach here in Spain? Nice to see a horse instead of a donkey. As you can see, there are a lot of cafes and shops here. So it's a nice place to relax or buy some stuff. But I'll keep walking as I still have a lot of ground to cover. And there's still a lot left to explore. I'll probably stop by at a cafe when I'm totally exhausted.
Look, same one in brown, but soft lid.
Look at these streets, how beautiful they are. It's still early in the morning, and as you can see, shop owners are slowly opening up their shops. Here's another street with blue pots on white walls. Have you been counting them? And here's another shop selling colorful stuff. By now you would have realized that the town is about contrasts. White walls, blue pots and shops selling colorful stuff. This looks like the central town and it's quite beautiful and lively. And here's another mirador, and it has fancy restaurants with views. I have just taken a small turn from the square and it has brought me to this place. And I'm back at the square. Now let's delve a bit into the history of Mijas. So Mijas was under the Roman Empire and was called Tamisa back then. And then under the 700-year Muslim rule starting from 780, its name was changed to Mixa, which eventually became Mijas. This in my opinion is the most beautiful cafe and street here in Mijas, with all these beautiful blue pots. So this is like a circular route. If I keep walking this route, I'll be back to the central square. Now this viewpoint here is perfect for your Instagram photos with the white houses in the background. Now I've reached a garden and I can see a beautiful church. How peaceful is this place? This is the Church of Immaculate Conception. It's a 16th century church and the bell tower is actually a part of a former castle here. The castle is not there anymore, but the bell tower remains. And the bell tower was used for defensive purposes to warn the town against any kind of attack. Now I'm at the bullring. It's a small bullring when you compare it to other bullrings in Spain. It was built in the year 1900 and is one of the few oval-shaped bullrings in Spain. But the bullring is not active anymore and no bullfights happen here now. All you can do here now is take pictures for your socials. Let me go inside the church before moving to my next destination.
Según San Juan. Al anochecer de aquel día, el primero de la semana,
And I found another mirador, and there is a little park next to it. Mijas has a lot of quarries around in those mountains. The quarries are used for extracting marble and limestone. All the white color that you see in Mijas, that is from the limestone from those quarries. It looks like these girls are in awe with the beauty of the place, or maybe they are just checking their phones. And these guys decided to skip the cart altogether and straight up ride the donkeys. I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna take a break at this beautiful cafe.
¿Quiere copia? Muchas gracias.
This is Plaza de la Constitución. This is Plaza de la Constitución, and this is where I started my day from. The donkey taxi stand is just right next to it. So that was the video. Hope you enjoyed exploring Mijas with me. I have been traveling for over 3 years now, and I'll be posting regularly with at least one video every week, showing you different places from around the world. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think of this white town of Mijas. I'll see you in the next video where I will be visiting Marbella, another beautiful white town of Spain. Thanks for watching.